Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're doing something a little different, but trust me, it's going to be huge. We're talking about the future, 2025 to be exact, and how you can make some serious cash on these side. Forget everything you think you know about side hustles because AI is changing the game. We're not talking about delivering pizzas or driving for Uber. This is next level stuff. Get ready to have your minds blown because we're diving into the top 5 AI side hustles that you can start in 2025. And the best part, you don't need some fancy degree to get started. Let's do this thing. First up, we've got AI content creation. Now, this isn't about robots stealing your job as writers. It's about robots making you a better writer. Imagine this. You've got a blog about, say, the best places to find the rarest Pokemon cards. You could spend hours researching and writing, or you could use an AI tool to do the heavy lifting for you. These AI tools can whip up engaging blog posts, killer social media content, and even write video scripts like this one. But it doesn't stop there. You can use these AI tools to analyze trending topics, optimize your content for search engines, and even generate eye-catching headlines. It's like having a whole team of marketing gurus at your fingertips, 24/7. Next up, we're talking about becoming an AI-powered virtual assistant. We've all got busy lives, right? Now, imagine being able to take on some of those everyday tasks, but instead of doing them yourself, you've got an AI assistant working for you 24/7. Think about it. Scheduling appointments, managing emails, even handling customer support. All while you're catching some Z's or, actually living your life. With AI, you can offer these services to multiple clients at once, maximizing your earnings without breaking a sweat. And the best part? As AI gets even more advanced, these virtual assistants will become even more capable, taking on even more complex tasks and freeing up even more of your time. It's like having a clone, but way cooler. Chapter 3. Sharing is Caring AI Tutoring Services. Alright, let's talk about education. Remember those subjects you aced in school? Well, now you can share that knowledge with the world and make some serious cash with AI tutoring services. And no, you don't need to be a certified teacher to make this work. AI-powered platforms are changing the way we learn, making education more accessible and engaging than ever before. You can use these platforms to connect with students worldwide, providing personalized tutoring sessions in anything from math and science to music and art. Imagine creating interactive quizzes using AI to track student progress and even offering personalized feedback, all from your laptop. With AI, you can become a global educator, empowering the next generation of thinkers and doers. Chapter 4. Become a data detective, AI-driven market research. Ever wonder how companies seem to know exactly what you want before you even do? That's market research, my friends, and with AI, it's becoming a goldmine of an opportunity. AI-driven market research is all about using the power of data to help businesses make smart decisions. We're talking about analyzing trends, identifying customer needs, and even predicting future market behavior, all with the help of AI. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds complicated, but trust me, it's not as scary as it seems. There are tons of AI tools out there that make it super easy to collect and analyze data, even if you're not a math whiz. Chapter 5. Unleash your inner artist, AI-based graphic design. Last but not least, we've got AI-based graphic design. Now, even if you can barely draw a stick figure, you can still cash in on this booming industry. AI is making it easier than ever to create stunning graphics and designs even if you don't have years of experience. We're talking about everything from designing logos and branding materials to creating social media visuals and even full-blown marketing campaigns. There are AI tools out there that can generate hundreds of design variations in seconds, all based on your specific needs. And the best part? You can offer these services to businesses of all sizes, from solopreneurs to large corporations. Everyone needs a little design magic, and with AI, you can be the one to deliver it. The future is now. Start your AI side hustle today. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 AI side hustles that can make you some serious bank in 2025. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. But the best part, you don't need to be a tech genius to get started. With a little creativity and the right tools, anyone can leverage the power of AI to create their own opportunities and achieve financial freedom. So what are you waiting for? The future is calling. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. See you in the next one.